Okay, we're watching our car. Obviously, it's a three-wheeler. That fourth wheel doesn't roll. We turn it upside down. Now, if you push firmly and consistently on the bottom of the car, you're going to get the wheel that was up in the air to slowly move down until it's in the same plane as the other three wheels. Once it looks like they're all rolling, you can turn the car back over and see if we got us a four-wheeler yet. All right. Well, it kind of looks like it is, but yeah, it's maybe not really touching good enough. You don't want to take a chance. So we're going to go work on this a little more. Well, from that tapping, you can tell that that wheel's got a little bit more to be pushed down. So we're going to turn that car upside down, do it again. Maybe hold it a little longer this time. All right, let's see if that got it. Pretty good. Okay, it's catching. It's catching enough. Most places would allow that on check-in because you're not going to be, usually not on a mirror, you're going to be on something a little rougher and it will pass the test. Here's another way to do it. If we push this wheel, the fourth wheel that was up in the air, hold the car up a little bit and slowly push that until that's actually the lowest wheel. Now you can reset it by putting it back on their tabletop and put this thin sheet of wax paper, or actually any thin sheet will work. Now, press on the top of the car and roll it back and forth. Now you can remove the paper because you set all four wheels at a specific height. And the thickness of that paper, actually now the wheel has dropped down, but there's no weight on the wheel. And so this is going to be a perfect four-wheeler when you roll it later on. Let's go check on a scale what the actual weight of that wheel is now. Compare it to the dominant front wheel. Let's turn our scales on, put the car on. You want to make sure those back wheels are on something the same height and very parallel to the ground. Okay, so I'm showing that all four wheels are rolling, and most of the weight's still on the dominant front wheel, a little over 16 grams. And the other wheel is touching, rolling, and sitting at 2.48 grams, which is about the weight of that wheel. Now, this is a perfect four wheels rolling rail runner because the dominant front wheel will still guide this car into the rail all the way down the track, and you're going to have the fastest four wheels touching in the whole pack. No problem.